today is the satellite tracking option for the B1 and the larger tablets that supports satellite tracking. So the B1 radio has now been programmed as part of its standard operating feature, satellite tracking. So you can pick your satellite you want to track, program it, or pick it. The radio or the phone programs the radio for your UHF, VHF, does a Doppler shift, and talks Bluetooth to the controller to aim the antenna and track the satellite. It's that simple. So you can basically track the satellite, not have to worry about entering all the specific frequencies and everything. Declination, all that stuff is handled automatically by the radio. And it works really slick. Talks Bluetooth. The tracking system uses a magnetometer accelerometer for position finding, so it never gets lost, so it makes real fast deployment. RFinder software, basically, when you set it up, it says find north, and pitch level, and it goes from there. And after every track, it returns home and recalibrates and makes sure it's on track. It comes with a breakdown arm set, so it makes it more portable. And though I don't have the full antenna, I normally spin a Alaskan Airlines or an elk.
The boss goes, give well. I said, what are the sticking around things?
Yeah, put on the other arm the magnetometer. It communicates from the hand controller to the rotor unit over just a 4-conductor 18-gauge wire. That's all there is to it. No big cables, nothing. So the only thing you have to run to the tracking system is your coax to your antenna. This runs on very low battery power, run all day on a 4.5 amp battery. So now, no big cables, very fast deployment. It's relatively light, foolproof. And the radio does all the magic for you. It's really cool. Oh no, it's actually setting up to do a track. I bumped the track button. So if that satellite now is set up, it's now positioned itself and ready to track. I think it's I think I'm doing the ISS right now. So it shows when the satellite passes will be and the percentage of activity, etc., position. And when you pick one, it'll say, okay, that's what the track's going to look like. And these are the frequencies it programs into the UHF, VHF radio. It does the Doppler shift calculations for you, so as the satellite goes over, it makes adjustments to the transmit receive. And then if I want to, I can do a simulate, connect to the Bluetooth, and it'll move the antenna in the same pattern as if it were tracking the real satellite, just a lot faster.